Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 7. Week 7 we're going to continue talking about APA formatting and APA writing. The changes from APA 6 to APA 7. But you guys have had a lot of questions about your paper and your presentation. So I'm sure you already are aware there is a presentation that goes along with your paper, and you've probably seen the assignment, which is located here, that I'll click on. So the assignment is as follows. You have a communications paper, and you have a 2 to 3 minute video to upload about your paper. So a lot of people have asked, what do I upload? Do I do a video of myself talking about my paper? Totally can, but you don't have to like video yourself per se. You don't have to like have the camera on your face and talk in front of people. That's not how it works. It could be a screen share. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm screen sharing using a program called ScreenPal. ScreenPal. It used to be called Screencast-O-Matic. That's why I flipped with the name a little bit there. ScreenPal is the name. So let me give you an example of what screen sharing would look like. All right, let me go to an example. In week 7, we'll use week 7, right? APA writing, like we talked about, continued. So we'll take the sample paper. APA sample paper in week 7. All right, let me move the screen here for you guys. All right, so this is what it would look like. I'll share my paper and I'll talk about my paper. So this is a sample paper that is uploaded from the Department of English at Purdue University. Of course, it's from the Purdue OWL. It's got information about APA 7, and the example is Branching Paths, a novel teacher evaluation model for faculty development, and it's written in perfect APA. So you can use this to write your own paper and make sure that you have everything in the right format. So as you can see from the example here, there's a lot of great information about APA and how to write effectively. One thing I really want to point out, based on the research that they did in this formatting paper, is the reference section, which is a great example for you guys to use in order to understand how a reference is written in APA. It's got, of course, the website if it doesn't have the DOI, and has a DOI if there is no website. So, well, there'll be a website with the DOI, but it has the DOI if you can find it, and the website if you can't find a DOI or there's no publication or journal. So, yeah, so that's some insight into this paper. That's all you got to do. So that's just an example of how you would record a video about a paper that you did. You don't have to do like I said, your face on camera. It's just a screen share. And if you do a screen share for 2 to 3 minutes using ScreenPal, you're good to go. You can use other programs like PowerPoint. Those are all examples. So hopefully that gives you some insight into the paper and the video that goes along with the paper. Now for the paper, we've already been over that, but the paper is going to be due here in a bit. Let's see when it's due. Week 7 is what we're on. It's going to be due, give me a sneak peek, week 10. So you got 3 weeks. So you need to make sure that you have a topic, you're writing some notes, and you're doing some research on your topic right now in order to get ready for week 10. But more to come on that. All right, we're going to talk about APA 7. I've already talked about what that highlights. Make sure you watch the 2 videos. They're not very long because we've been talking about APA at length over the last couple of weeks. So take a look at those. Take a look at the APA 7 guidelines. Make sure you reference the APA 7 Purdue OWL website again. More information there. Review Chapter 15 in your textbook, which I know you already read, but it's just another element of APA. And of course, take a look at your discussion board. You only have a discussion board this week. Initial post due on the 22nd, reply due on the 26th. But this week is really for focusing on your paper, continuing the development of your paper, and using the sample paper here to make sure you have your formatting correct as you're writing. So that's really it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Short week, not a lot this week. Luckily, you have a little bit of time to catch up. We've been in APA 7 since 2020, so it's been about 5 years, and I anticipate we'll have APA Style 8 in the next year or so. I've been saying that for the last 2 years, but it should be coming soon. If you have any questions, reach out. Happy to help. Thanks so much.